Hi, Steve again here at AutoHaulerSupply.com. Just wanted to let you know we still got some ramps to fit Cottrell down here in the Dallas warehouse. I got about 5 pairs left here, 99-inch ramps by 18 wide. These are going to run you about $10.99 a pair here. I got some little bitty 6-foot ramps if you just need something a little bit shorter, just to pop you up on the trailer there. Those are going to run you $426.79. I still got a few of these 9-footers. This pile actually is half the height it was a week ago, so these are selling fast. These are some really awesome 7,000 pound per axle ramps. These are 9 feet long by 18 inches wide. A pair of them will run you $678.97. This is a really nice set of ramps, and the guy that makes them, he said for me to never ask for him to give him the same deal again. He got stranded with some special orders that got canceled on him. Got a few pairs of 10-foot left here. These are going to run you $720 a pair. I've also got these down in Atlanta now, or just in the Atlanta area, as well as the ramps for Cottrell's, these punch plate ramps. I got some of those. I got some of the 10-footers over here. And then skipping over these low profiles, which I do not have in Atlanta, I've got these the regular 94-inch ones for like the Take 3s and the Kaufmans and stuff. I got those for, that's a good question, $575. So a pair. So these got the hook top ends, got the tread plates. And then if I come around here, you can kind of see, you got the knife cut foot. So these are real nice ramps. We've been selling them for years and years. Really good luck with them. So any questions, give me a holler. My name's Steve. I'm the founder and head sales guy here at AutoHaulerSupply.com. And you can reach me at 866-855-4285. If you can't reach me, ask for Jackie. She's the queen of ramps. She used to actually work for the ramp guys. So give us a call. Look forward to talking to you. Bye now.